My name is Haron. I first born in a family of 6, born in Mabinji village in Bondo, sub-county, East Migwena sub-location, South Sakwa location. Yes, Bondo sub-county. A journalist by profession, a dad, and a husband.
Okay.
Yes.
So when the family man.
Yes. Mimi mtu familia bana. Actually, by the way, if you get someone at my age, mwenye anakwambia ako single and searching, laiba kwa tuna familia, maybe wataka tu kuongeza mingine. Anyway, that is on a light note. What I like most about my job is touching people's lives. To me, my job is about touching people's lives. When I provide a solution to people's problems, to me that is it. I cannot talk about money. It's about touching people's lives. How many people do I touch their lives? How many problems do I solve? Like today in the morning, you are talking about insecurity in East Assembly ward, that is in the Reda sub-county. Just talking to the leaders there makes my day, and making sure that the people, the common man who was crying, who was having a problem, had got a solution. For me, that is the whole thing that makes me report work day on daily basis. On a normal day, I wake up at around 3 a.m. I do my prayers between 3 to 4 a.m. Then I go shower. After showering, from 4 a.m. I start catching up with what is on what is coming, the world has woken up to, or the day has woken up to, so that as a presenter, as a journalist, I must be ahead of everyone else. Then 5 a.m. I report to work. Then I do my show up to 10 a.m. From 10 a.m. I sit outside the office there, maybe responding to any other need. The people who always come to see Haron, that is the time that I can talk to them, up to around 11 a.m. When I leave from 11 a.m., I go back to the house for about 30 minutes, just make sure everything is on point, and then I leave for other hassles that maybe I don't want to mention here. Then at around 5 p.m., depending on the day, we always have prayers at church, routine prayers on every day of the week. Then I attend to that up to about 6 p.m. or sometimes 7 p.m. Maybe some of this, I have a meeting around 7 is always my time to do some few meetings. I do these meetings up to 8 p.m. and then I roll back home. I get online. I'll be up to around again 9. I watch news, from news up to around 10 p.m. there. Then I go online. I'm still in school, so I also do my assignments. I forgot to mention that I also have studies in between. I'm still furthering my studies. So up to that, always up around 11 in the night. So after 11 in the night, I can always retire to bed. Yeah. I interviewed Miguna. Yes, Miguna's interview in a way was what I would call the most challenging interview, because from the time I called him and we started the interview, the first thing he told me that, don't you know that this is happening? There was some politician who was addressing the nation at that time. Then he was telling me, don't you know this person is addressing the nation and you're busy interviewing me? That is the problem of this small radio station. You are not informed. Then I responded, I'm one man whom I don't just let things go. I responded, actually, when you want to, I feel like, talk at me, or maybe prove that I don't know what I'm doing, I always stand on my ground and tell you I know what I'm doing. So I had to tell him, hey bro, bana, I know that person is addressing the nation, and by the way, here it is on my phone, I'm also watching that live. And then it was, but later it ended so well, and I enjoyed, and I look forward to hosting him any day, anytime. Yes, I don't think there is any other politician that ever gave me a hard time in interviewing. I don't think. I've always crafted a way, because it's not about myself, it's about the listeners who are listening to me. If I was not a journalist, hey boss, mimi ningekuwa vitu mbili. Either ningekuwa mwalimu, because I love teaching, I love literature a lot, kabisa. Or ningekuwa karau, sana CID. I love investigating things. Yeah. So mimi kama singekuwa journalist, sana ningekuwa karau, sana CID, because teaching nani nimefundisha. I've taught English and literature for long. Huko izile enzi tulikuwa tunaitwa untrained teachers. Tunafundisha sana, lakini sisi ndio hatuna any training hata kidogo. There are so many jobs outside here. So many jobs, I repeat. The only thing is, what do you want? Ni job gani unatafuta? There are so many jobs. Yep. Let me ask a simple question. Let's say for example, you're walking. Alafu pate kama kuna fence ya mtu is shaggy or unkept. Yeah? Then you go and ask that person, I'm requesting to trim your fence. Alafu nidipe 200 bob. You can get those jobs. But the challenge is we think that we must only do all those things that we went for training for. Or I must sit in this big office and maybe nizunguke na chair. Let me tell you what you don't know. Ona saizi vile nimetoka hapa. The first thing is to go park this car somewhere, ningie kwa shamba. I just take my gumboots and I do something. There is Haron. There is not wuod. So jobs are there. I know there are scarcity of jobs in terms of professional jobs. But when it comes to what you can do to bring a living to you, they are there. And I believe a man must be responsible. Hii kitu ya machala utaki kufanya kazi preying on maybe women who are rich, it is bullshit. People must work hard. But more importantly, trust in God. Alafu tuombe God. Boss, mimi am a tither. I pay my tithe. And I believe tithe is a key thing. The Bible says, pay it. Yes, and see what God will do to you.
Okay.
Boss, mi ukosa. Hata saizi, if you give me a chance to give you my wallet, ni kama haina do, wallet yangu ndio hii, boss. Wallet yangu iko na only 500 bob.
But when you can lunch.
No, but this one is like maybe ka lunch, but now you asked. So it means saizi nikatumia hiyo 500 bob yenye iko kwa wallet yangu, and you see you just ask me randomly. Meaning ikiisha hivi, I don't have. So people know wuod, but people don't know Haron. Yes, Haron lacks money. Haron gets sick. Haron cries. Haron uomba. Haron uboro. Yes, but people think of the media names that we use. That perfect guy, ule Bruno, ule perfect, ule Felix Adero, ule wa news, ule Mwalimu Bito, ule so and so. So people don't know behind that big name there is also the person who can cry and can laugh. Bro, ni usota bwana. Hata 2 weeks hata kuna yenye imeingia, but anatiyo matek nyaka wakad mwanaume ni kuwa kad bwana. Yes, for now sigande dayo wuod. Dana wile kista nyang'on nyaka bondo misambi no luonga gokinyi no nyisa ni nyakwara Bruno chali ni giwach moro dwa penji gik moko matin na chungo nyamburko tanyiso dani samiloso koda mondo miwach gimoro to nyaka wachi ma en sigande dayo gi wuod. Sigande dayo gi wuod. Big up, man.